Good morning, students. Welcome to your English ORC class. Dear kids, open book page number 43. Book page number 43. Let's read Mum. Mum says, Pam, here is a box for you. Mum says, Pam, here is a box for you. Happy birthday, Mum. Happy birthday, Mum. Thank you, Pam, says Mum. What is it? What is it? Open the box, Mum, says Ben. Yes, open the box. Let us see, says Tim. Kids, let's read again. Mum, says Ben. Here is a box for you. Happy birthday, Mum. Here is a box for you. Happy birthday, Mum. Thank you, Pam, says Mum. What is it? Open the box, Mum, says Ben. Yes, open the box. Let us see, says Tim. Now, kids, it's your turn to read first 7 lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Allah Hafiz.